Hello guys, and how you going today? I can't say how's it hanging because that sounds really pagan and it would not be ladylike. Everybody tells me, Bonnie, you're a real lady. So I can't say how's it hanging, but if you want me to say it, how's it hanging today? And here is, I can get into your new house or old house, wherever you may be living, because I have a key on my necklace. It's not real silver, but accessories have some cooler designs than actual silver, so quack quack. Okay, it is a chilled out and warm Sunday for a winter day here. I live in Perth, Western Australia. I live in the most isolated city, and I'm going to be doing some unboxing for this video. So I'll show you, I volunteer at an op-shop called Red Cross, and I do look for new volunteers, and I buy some really nice stuff there that make my house look so amazing. So I can leave the link below onto how to volunteer with Red Cross, and if you want to come in, pop in, say hello. I don't know where you guys are from. Some of you are from Scotland. I met you on live video. So I'm going to be unboxing this. I needed this for my necklaces. This is a love heart, which is actually a jewelry box. And a photo frame, I mean, come on, I have way too many photos. Bonnie always needs a photo frame. I love unboxing videos and I do watch them, and you don't forget to thumbs up if you enjoy this video and subscribe to the channels. Bonnie Pradanovic. It used to be called Productive because I thought that it was easier for people to find it because no one knows how to spell Pradanovic, but they can find me through Instagram and Facebook and YouTube. So it was packed like this in a very secure way, and it has a nice box. It can even be given as somebody for moving in present to the new home, or however you would like to. Or if I do find a place in my own home, I will leave it here. But my house is very crowded at the moment, and it is crowded with these sort of things. So all of this was $10. For me it was $8.50. Not bad, eh? So I have to put the cost in the box or in the bin, however you like it. Code 20, that means it's only 2 weeks old. At Red Cross, I'll show you. I put the prices on. Well, I didn't price this one. This person has a nice handwriting. We price clothes, we tag them and stuff like that, and here we have a code which means what week it is in. So the first thing is the price and then the code, and if it's donation, new donation, or brand new, we even get some brand new stuff. Wow, this is nice. Check this out. You can look yourself in the mirror. Ooh, and I'm pretty. So what do I do with this? Maybe I might need it for something later. Keep it in this box. So this is a little bit dirty at the moment because somebody did have it in their house before. But isn't it nice? I mean, I just love it. Hi, it's you, Bonnie. Okay. Another thing is, main reason why I bought this kit is because of this. And I plan to put jewelry in here. So let's put that here. Ooh. Oh, there is nothing in here, but it's just a little decoration, I suppose. I can put that here. Something is missing. Haha. Tricks in op shops, what's missing? The small thing. Because see, 1, 2, 3, 4 for $10, and something was in here. So maybe I do find it, because I have only 3 things, and I can frame myself here. Let's see if it fell out. Oh, I did. No, I didn't. Maybe that is why this was donated. It doesn't have the fourth thing. But okay, I can put it like this, and if you didn't see me unbox, you wouldn't know that there was a fourth thing in here. So, how pretty is this? I like it. I'm going to find that a place. And yeah, it probably is in here somewhere, the fourth thing, because there was 4 things when I actually bought it, so that would be weird for it to not be in here at all. You know what I mean? Is it in the love heart? No, it's not. Okay, I'll let you know if I do find the missing piece. I hope that you have watched me unbox this pretty thing here. I will show you once more, and I'm creating a new jewelry box and enjoying my Sunday, doing a bit of unboxing for myself, and I have a key for you. Okay, I'll show you this thing once more. Have a great public holiday, and thumbs up this video, and you can suggest ideas below what you would like me to talk about in videos. And love from me, Bonnie. My real name is Boyana. Boyana. Okay, let me show you once more. And I hope I do find the fourth thing, because I think it might be somewhere in another box. Yep. So it looks something like this. The thing that I just unboxed. I'm still happy with it, but I would be happier if it had all pieces to it. Okay. Ciao Bella, and bye for now. Have a good long weekend.